Fashion versus style. Let me explain what fashion means and then what style means, so you all can kind of like know a little bit more about this. So fashion is in a shop or window, clothes that you actually see like by a designer or somebody. And then style is something that you're actually wearing. Like you can see right here different type of styles, something that actually the kids are wearing. Another way of saying it is fashion is something that you can buy, and then style is a way of saying who you are without having to speak. Finding your personal fashion style is about getting to know yourself. It's about being connected with the very essence of who you are and be confident about it. Creating your own personal style is the art of combining an outfit or an image, if you will, based on your personality and lifestyle. Lifestyle consists of your taste, interests. For example, if you like tigers or lions, you want to kind of show it in your clothes. Or maybe you're really into sports, you're going to want to show that you're a sport girl and you can do something like that. Or maybe you like print, for example, cheetah. Or maybe you're really into hats, because who doesn't love hats, right? Or maybe you love flowers. I mean, you want to show it in your dresses and everywhere, and you look amazing. Or maybe you love Hello Kitty. I mean, who doesn't? And like we already know, you want to spread something. You want to spread that you love Taylor Swift. We already know everybody loves Taylor Swift. Or maybe you love really like animals, you're really into birds. Or maybe you're just like me and you love colorful stuff. So this is creating your unique style, and that helps you achieve a lot of confidence and comfort in how you put together an outfit. This sets you apart from the rest and makes you very, very different, because you do want to be a little bit different. You want to express everything that you like through your style. Maybe you like sushi, why not? Why not express it to our style? You really have to love everything that you're wearing and feel very comfortable. And if it's hot or if it's cold, obviously you want to feel 100% secure with everything that you're wearing. So why is it important to develop our personal style? Imagine living in a place called Sameville, where everybody wore the same clothes, a place where they had the same style and like the same things. Now, that wouldn't exactly be the most colorful and stimulating world, would it? But of course, something very important that we always have to remember is developing our personal fashion style is a journey, not a destination. What does that mean? That means that we have to be learning and go very slow. We don't have to get there and be perfect, find our own style really fast. It'll take a lot of trials to find what you really love. So good luck, everybody.